Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a gallery page in your WordPress website. So here you can see this is my website and I want a gallery page. So just go to dashboard and after that go to pages, then create a new page. Now we can give a name to our page, gallery, and after that click here publish. So now to design this page, make sure that you have installed Elementor WordPress plugin. Let me show you the plugins that I have installed. Now scroll down, here you can see Elementor plugin. After that you will get the option here, edit with Elementor. Just click here. Now here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. That allows you create any type of design in WordPress website. So now we can add a new section. You can select number of columns and after that now we can drag any of element. Now I can set for gallery. Here you can see these are the gallery elements. Just drag here and after that simply you need to add some images. For example, I can select some images from here. Now click here. So here you can see. Now you can easily customize and hide these titles. Scroll down and go to style tab. Here you can see captions and now we can hide these captions. In this way you can easily add more and more images. After that you can select the number of columns. After that you can add another section at the top and you can give a name to this page. For example, gallery. After that center the text. Then click update. So in this way you can easily create a gallery page in your WordPress.